Hi, I'm Amanda Washbrook. I'm Deputy Principal at West Herts College Group. So we're here today with Morgan Sindall to train them in how to use virtual reality training in upskilling their staff. And one of the things that they're looking at is how on their construction sites they can use virtual reality, so simulated training, to do things like onboarding for health and safety or training for particular skills or knowledge that their employees need. We've got a really good relationship with Morgan Sindall. We work really closely with them. They've supported us a lot with things like talks and masterclasses with visits for our students. They provide placements and on-the-job training for our students and obviously work with us to employ people who leave our construction programs and other courses. But today what we're doing is delivering some training for them to help their staff to understand how they can use some of this new technology in their workplace to deliver training for their staff.
My name is Rui. I'm Senior Digital Construction Manager for Morgan Sindall, Northern Hum counties. So it's really important for us because it's not something that we have the expertise on. So together with West Herts College, we are able to be here today and learn about the hardware and the software and how things operate, how you can actually create those environments, how you can add content to them to suit whatever needs you have. So this has been really interesting and a really good starting point. So this is an area where I see a lot of potential. You can do so many different things with it. We've been working with West Herts College in also other areas like work placement. We've had a few students working for us in 2 different sites, and it's been a really interesting partnership. Having the education sector aligned with the industry is really important because you would think it's obvious, but you don't really see that happening that much. And I think having these partnerships is what ensures us that we get the next generation of personnel at Morgan Sindall to have the skills that we will need tomorrow. And that's really important that we're having this interaction with West Herts College so that we can feed back what we're seeing in the industry, what we are lacking, what we perceive the future will look like, so that they can then prepare the next generation of their students